3 highly lucrative affiliate marketing niches for 2022. Looking for lucrative affiliate marketing niches? We've got you covered. The biggest challenge facing affiliate marketers is finding a profitable niche. Get it right and you can make lots of passive income. But get it wrong and you'll end up wasting tons of time, money, and effort. In this video, we'll give you 3 highly profitable niche ideas to consider for your next affiliate marketing project. We'll also show you how to analyze a niche's potential and share a few handy blogging tips to help your affiliate marketing efforts shine. Let's dive in. Do you need a niche for affiliate marketing? Suppose you stumbled upon a blog that wrote about cat food, table saws, and wedding dresses. What would you think? You'd probably feel confused, have no idea what this blog was about, and question its credibility. It's highly doubtful this blog would be an authority on subjects so vastly different. And so, you'd hit the back button and look for a blog that focused on the topic you're interested in. Having a niche avoids that because it lets people immediately know they're in the right place and that you speak their language, 2 critical elements for building trust with your target audience. Now, you don't necessarily have to concentrate on a single product or service. Many affiliate marketers have built successful businesses solving everyday problems like stain removal, lawn care, or pest control. The bottom line, don't confuse people about what you're about. Pick a niche, stay focused, and build credibility. Our favorite affiliate marketing niches for 2022. The first potential problem you may encounter when choosing a niche is whether you're going too wide or too narrow. If there's any question about what you should do, go wide. Here's why. Suppose you want to write about wood chippers. But calling your website Wood Chipper Central limits your options in the future. Eventually, you're going to run out of things to say. However, position yourself as a homesteading or rustic living site and you can cover a broader range of relevant topics, including wood chippers. The lesson here, leave yourself some room for lateral expansion. With that said, let's dive into our picks for the top affiliate marketing niches for 2022. 1. Gaming/esports. If you want an exciting, fast-changing industry with plenty of room to grow, the gaming niche could be for you. A $203.12 billion industry in 2020, the gaming/esports niche is expected to grow to nearly $546 billion by 2028. Gaming/esports are no longer limited to game consoles or apps either. The industry also includes AR, VR, smartphones, and the metaverse. The affiliate opportunities are huge. Games equipment/peripherals, skills improvement, training, furniture, there's even a gamer's dating app. Why we like the gaming niche. 1. High growth. 2. Passionate fan base. 3. Always new products to evaluate/review. 2. Health, personal care, and beauty. Everybody wants to look and feel better. That's why health and beauty products will always be in demand. E-commerce sales alone for this niche are expected to be $85.53 billion by the end of 2022, and that's only 10% of total U.S. retail sales in this category. Plus, online sales are growing by double digits annually. Repeat sales are normal in this niche. Once people settle on a favorite brand, they'll buy it again and again. There are also subscription boxes where people experiment with new and different products every month. Among the affiliate opportunities are preventative health screenings, skincare, organic cosmetics, weight loss. Why we like the health, personal care, and beauty niche. Evergreen niche. Frequent repeat purchases. Hard to find boutique products not sold in stores. 3. Pets. The pet niche is a classical example of where raving fans meet evergreen appeal. Pet parents will spend almost any amount of money to ensure their companion is happy and healthy. And the size of the market proves it. The pet market was valued at $232.3 billion in 2020 and is expected to grow to $350.3 billion by 2027. Although the pet niche is insanely lucrative, it's also ultra competitive. But, learning how to monitor the market for exploding product trends, and also how to capitalize on those trends immediately, helps you roll with the competition. Here's a sampling of the affiliate opportunities. Behavioral modification. GPS tracking devices. Pet furniture. Pet sitting services. You can even analyze your dog's DNA to look for genetic diseases. Why we like the pet niche. Evergreen niche. Passionate repeat customers. Products always in demand.